It is the 74th day. Tomorrow is the last. But not forever. The challenges only get more difficult. They don't get easier. Over and over and over, you batter your body, you make it resist, you build it from nothing. You say build a garden. You build a garden, but you build a hanging garden of Babylon. You build the bricks of the foundation, and you hang that garden. And it doesn't just attract butterflies, but the very philosophers that think of every conception. But not just them. Emperors, kings, everyone wants to see that garden, and it's because it is a marvel. It seems impossible for one man to have made that. But no, not for you. No, not for you. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. This is the beginning. This is the beginning. It's just the beginning.
Good. How do I deal with setbacks, failures, delays, defeats, or other disasters? I actually have a fairly simple way of dealing with these situations, summed up in one word. Good. This is something that one of my direct subordinates pointed out. He'd pull me aside and he'd say, "Boss, we got this thing, this situation, and it's going terribly wrong." I would look at him and I'd say, "Good." He continued, "That's what you always say. When something is wrong or going bad, you just look at me and say, 'Good.'" And I say, "Well, I mean it."